What is going on, guys? This is KVF for your gamer. Welcome back to the channel for another video. But today is not about FIFA 19 video, right? So today is about my unboxing, the unboxing of my drawing tablet. You know, I've been drawing since I was a child, and I know, I stopped. It's been like what, 2 years I stopped drawing, but because life. But this year I was like, hey, I need to get myself a drawing tablet because I saw a lot of video on YouTube how nice it is to draw, why you can draw on the tablet, and you can have a display on your computer screen, which was really awesome. So I was like, okay, for my birthday I'm going to get my tablet, right? So if you guys need more information about this tablet, I will leave the link down in the description so you guys can go ahead and check it out. It's a really nice tablet. I bought it for myself. It's not, they didn't send it to me. I didn't know. I spent my own money to buy this. Alright, anyway, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open this. I'm probably gonna put down the camera a little bit. Don't mind whatever is over here. It's not your business. Anyway. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is probably unbox this like this. Oh, I don't know, man. I'm so excited. How am I gonna open this? Oh, let me just change it like this. I'm sorry, I don't have a table to provide. Focus. There you go. I don't have a table to provide everything that you guys need. This is what paper just to show you how to download it, I think. What else? We got that. There you go. Here comes the stand. Yeah, it's very well packed. They really made a good job for. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so excited. I just want to remove it. Yeah. So this is actually the stand that you can. Yep. You can actually put the tablet on top of this, screw it in, and then you should be able to draw nicely wherever you want. But let's put that on the side. This paper, we don't need it. This one, you probably gonna need it later. We have this box inside the box. What is inside the box? Oh, we have screwdriver. I'm pretty sure it's probably for this one. For the stand, you got the glove, like the ninja glove, you know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, those are the cable to power the tablet. HDMI cable that goes from the tablet goes directly to the computer. Over here, I'm going to use all of them. This is a screwdriver. Oh wow, thank you very much. I'm gonna use it for something else. Pretty much provide us with the screwdriver in case you don't have a screwdriver. I do have a lot of screwdrivers, so it's not a problem. This is the, I would say, the pen stand. Now you can just put your pen on top of it just to make it safe. This is the power cable for the tablet. Nice screwdriver. This is probably the pen over here. I'm pretty sure this is the pen. There you go. Yep. It is the pen. Nice. Oh, what am I doing with this screwdriver in my hands? Nice pen, isn't it? You see? You can see it. I don't know if this camera is gonna focus. Yeah, anyway. Camera pretty nice. He has a small bottom over here. You can see that, which is, I'm guessing you have to hold it while drawing, I think. So, all right. All right. What else? I'm just gonna close this because the fun part is coming. All right. Oof. This is like the bag of the tablet. Pretty nice. It's the back of the tablet. In case you go into the park or you traveling, you can just put that in your put the tablet inside and then move it on. Let me put that on the side over there. Here come the guy. The guy. Here come the guy. Oh my god. Yes. Nice. Look at that. You see, this is the tablet, guys. You see, please feel free. I'm sorry about the light, everything, but this is how it looks. You know. Wow. Say, please feel free to peel off this mat before you use it. You know the feeling of removing this plastic, right? When you like the first user, and as a gift they give you an extra, I don't know if I could say an extra, but they give you another screen protector for your tablet. Then you can use it, which is pretty nice. Thank you, Gomel. Thank you very much for this. I'll be using it. Is it over? Is there another tablet at the bottom? No, there's not. Oh boy! All right, let me move this out of the way. It's nice. We have some bottom over here for like the menu, power, everything. We have the HDMI entry over here to go to your computer or your laptop if you're using a laptop. We also have this. This is pretty easy to set up. I'm not gonna do that because, you know, it's pretty easy to set that up. Pretty easy. It's not difficult to do that. But if you guys want me to do that, we're probably gonna do that on another video. But for the sake of this video, I don't think we need to do that. So those are the 4 holes for the 4 screwdriver that I show you in the box early. Yeah, I like it, man. I forgot to mention, if you open it, you actually have this, right? You have these different print that it's all up to you. Like if you don't, this one is too much, you can actually change it and get a new one from here, so which is pretty nice, pretty good. You don't have to. I like the fact that they give you multiple ones, then you know, you don't have to go on Amazon or somewhere else to buy another one, you know. It's more easy like that. I don't know, this one doesn't want to close anyway. I don't want to make this video too long, so you know, I mean, like I said, this is how the glove. Actually, let me just open the glove. My tablet, yeah. Let me open this glove quick. Boom, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. I am right-handed, so I'm cool. So this is cool. How is this? Yep. That's it. Like ninja. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Anyway, so this is how the glove looks like, you know. It's good. I mean, and for those of you who probably are left-handed, you probably have to find for the left hands on Amazon, I think. If I find it, I'll probably put the link down the description for you guys to go ahead and look at it if you want. But this is right-handed. They only give you only one for right-handed. I don't know if why you order, and I don't know if there's an option for you to decide which one you want to pick. Why you ordering online, but I'm pretty sure this is the best. They just send it to you like that, and then if you want to find the left hand, you're gonna have to go online. Alright, so this was my review unboxing of this tablet. I'm gonna try to draw every day if I can't. I really want to, and then post it on YouTube for you guys. Then you guys we can enjoy together my progress on drawing, because it's been a long time. I just want to go back to it. I'm, you know, I'm just gonna draw whatever you guys ask me to draw. I'm just gonna draw it. I have no problem about it. I don't know if you guys at all. Let me just remove this. Let me remove it. go. Plastic. Nice. You see? It's very nice. And now I can use the screen protector to put it in, to put it on the top. Nice and clean. Alright, so this was my review and unboxing of the my drawing tablet. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, I'm going to try to post more of my drawing skill on this channel, and also gaming every day, so I'm still gonna post my gaming video, so don't worry about that. But for those of you who like drawing, just make sure to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know what you like about this video, or let me know what you think about this tablet. I will really appreciate it. I will reply to every comment down the comment or every comment that you guys posted on my video. I will really appreciate the comment, the feedback, everything. For sure I will reply to all of you guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This has been my review of the GAOMON PD1560. I'm sorry, my accent is probably, but I'm trying my best. This was my review of the drawing tablet. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Kevin. You guys stay blessed. Peace out. Yeah.